Hey everybody! I'm here today to tell you to do this if you're about to miss a turn or exit while driving. That's right, if you are driving on the highway or on a main road and you're about to miss your turn or your exit, you should do this. Now, before I tell you what to do, let me map this out for you. You're driving on the highway in the left lane, going a decent speed, going, the flow of traffic, and then all of a sudden you notice your exit is there on the right. What most people do, unfortunately, is they signal, they slam their brakes so they can slow down to get off at the exit, they frantically check their mirrors and blind spot, and then they swerve over in a dangerous driving action to get off at the exit, okay? Similarly, when you're driving on a main road, okay? You're driving the left lane and you realize, oh wait, my turn is over there on the right, like right beside me. What most people do is they slam their brakes, they signal, and they come to a complete stop on a main road, and they completely halt all traffic and wait until someone lets them in over there, okay? Then some driver feels guilty and high beams them so that they can turn. Meanwhile, 100 cars have stopped behind them, and it's dangerous to begin with. Now, what should you do? I keep hearing a sound. I'm sorry. I don't know what that sound is over here. It could be the car squeaking, but trying to make sure there's not like an animal in the car or anything like that. Anyways, what should you do instead of doing those things? Well, you should just keep on driving. Whenever I see people do these dangerous driving actions, I try and relate to them and try and think of a good reason why it might be legit or okay to do that. And I can never come up with a reason, okay? Like sometimes I'm like, okay, you know what? They're driving on the highway and there's their exit and then I really have to go to the bathroom. It's still not okay because you almost cause an accident when you do it. You almost cause a car accident when you do it. So, at the end of the day, it's really, really dangerous, and what you should do is just keep on driving. That's what you need to do. So instead of swerving over to try and get off the highway or to try and get off the road, what you should do instead is just keep driving. Like, there is no reason why that's okay to do that, okay, to swerve over. So just keep driving. Get off at the next exit instead, okay? Turn at the next street instead, or turn and do like, pull into a parking lot, turn around in the parking lot and start driving the other way so you can make that turn that you originally intended on making. If you're in that much of a rush, then I'm sorry, wake up half an hour earlier and leave your house half an hour earlier if you're in that much of a rush where you can't miss your exit. Okay, I'm sorry. There's no good reason to do it. So if you're about to miss a turn or an exit, this is like a public service announcement for everyone, for every driver out there. Please just keep driving straight. Just keep driving and you can get off at another exit. It's really not a big deal. You're making it like this. It's nothing. It's really nothing at all, right? So just with that being said, that's what you should do. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.